welcome back to my channel. I'm with the same outfit again just because I just filmed a tutorial and I also filming like different small reviews on the products that I've used. So today we have the Burgundy Bar palette by Maybelline New York. It is this palette right here, which I'm gonna talk more about it in the video. So yeah, let's just jump in. So when it comes to colors, this palette right here comes in 12 colors. I feel that it has 10 shimmery shades and 2 shades which are matte. I don't know if the first layer kind of rubbed off, but I feel that these 2 shades are matte, and thank God, because I'm not really keen on having a palette full of shimmery colors. Like, I want my crease color and my outer V color, and that's what these are for. You have a cool tone brown color for the crease, and you have a dark brown shade for the outer V. Guys, today I'm gonna be using the Burgundy Bar palette by Maybelline in New York, which is this one right here. First I'm gonna go in. Okay, I have some orange left from yesterday's makeup on the brush, so yeah, this palette doesn't contain any orange hues. I'm just using this cool tone brown shade to go into the crease, you guys. I'm gonna go in with this dark brown. I like this palette. It's pigmented, doesn't leave too much fallout on the eyes. However, it can get a little bit messy in the actual pens just because they are not separated by like they are individually placed. However, the kind of plastic thing that separates them, the pen is really like flat. So if you go in with the brown, for example, the dark brown, it can easily transfer onto the light brown. So I feel like even the shadow like this can be a look, but it's so nice. One is a very rich warm brown, and the other one is a cool tone brown. So this is the cool tone brown and this is the dark brown. They are nice and creamy, and then the rest are shimmery shades. It has quite a few similar shades. For example, if you ask me, the golden shades, they are all very similar. Then it has these 2 shades, which is why I got it for, because I just live for these shades, you guys. I live for them. These are shimmery shades. So nice. And then you have, for example, this shade, which is very creamy, very nice. They're all very pigmented. These colors are really nice. So affordable. It was under 20 euros. I don't know how much I paid for it. 17 maybe, I'm not sure. However, in my opinion, although I like it and I like using it, I feel that it has similar shades. I'm gonna bring the dark brown a little bit upward, just because since I'm just gonna fill in my lid with that cream shadow, I want to make the eyes look bigger. Therefore, I'm just giving the illusion that my crease is much higher than it actually is. So on this part right here, since this video was part of a tutorial, I've used a product from CATRICE, which is like a liquid eyeshadow, and that is what I have on my lids right now. Now I'm just gonna go in with the lightest shade from the Maybelline Burgundy palette and place it in the inner corner to highlight. Loving this palette. It's affordable, it's drugstore. I think it was about 17 euro for all this. Packaging can be a little bit, you know, not cheap looking. I don't mind, to be honest. Plastic packaging. Comes in a nice burgundy color, as the palette suggests. Pigmented, performs well. It's what I have on my eyes today. Can't complain about it. Another drugstore find, which is really nice, especially if you're after these shades. I love burgundy shades. Those are some of my favorite colors on the eyes. I love them. So yeah, for me, this is a recommend. I love it. I will keep on using it for sure. So it's a hit from my end. I'm gonna keep this short and simple, you guys. And yeah, Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye!